Hello, Alex. Very warm welcome to this lecture. Today, in maths, we have ascending order of fractions and descending order of fractions. So, we now discuss about these orders. One is ascending order, other is descending order. So, we have for both of these orders two definitions here. First, what is an ascending order of fractions? When fractions are ordered from smallest to greatest, then this is called ascending order of fractions. Means in which order we order fractions from smallest to greatest sequence. We have different examples here. 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5, 5 by 5. And remember, we are discussing about like fractions. Till date, we are discussing about like fractions. We are working on the like fractions. All these fractions are like fractions because of the same denominator 5, 5, 5, 5. 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5 and 5 by 5. Now see here that 1 is smaller than 2 and 2 is smaller than 3 and 3 is less than 4 and 4 is less than 5. So according to our definition that in ascending order we move from smallest to greatest. So here is the most smallest number and here is the most greatest number in these given fractions. So this is known as ascending order of fractions. I hope you understood this concept. 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5 and 5 by 5. We will move from the least digit and will go to the most digit from lower to maximum. So this style is known as ascending order. Now here we have another definition, descending order of fractions. What is descending order fractions? When fractions are ordered from biggest to smallest. This is the reverse of this upper definition. When fractions are ordered from biggest to smallest, then this is called descending order of fractions. In this, according to this definition, we move from bigger number to lower number in a sequence. Given examples are 6 by 12, 4 by 12, 3 by 12, 2 by 12, 1 by 12. 6 here we can see because these all are like fractions, so we are having 12 under all these fractions as denominator. As far as numerators are concerned, this numerator is bigger, then this is smaller than this, and this 3 is smaller than 4 and 2 is smaller than 3 and 1 is smaller than 2. So we are moving from greatest number to uh, lowest number or smallest number in a sequence. So these are two definitions which are very crucial in which is related to ascending and descending order of fractions. So keep in mind in writing a style of the definitions. We here we have definition with example and other definition with example. So I recommend you to attempt definitions in this style always. Now on this page we write following fractions in ascending and descending order. We will do all these questions according to the given definitions. So here we have different fractions which all are like fractions because these all are having here the same denominator, but numerators are changed here, so we will arrange only numerators in a sequence to have ascending or descending fraction. So now We have 8 by 15, 6 by 15, 9 by 15, 5 by 15. Now, first we will order in ascending. So ascending is it in this definition we move from lowest to biggest number. So our first lowest number is here 5. After that we have 6, number 2. At number 3 we have 8, and then we have 4. Now we write these here. 5 by 15 at number 2, 6 by 15 at number 3, 8 by 15, and this 9 by 15. So now these all fractions are in ascending order. 5 is smallest and 9 is greatest. Okay. Now we perform the descending order of the same fractions, because this is a question. We are solving this question right now. Now here is equal to, now what we are going to do here, we will write these our ascended fractions in descending order. To have descending order, we will write from here 9 by 15, 8 by 15, 6 by 15, 5 by 15. So now these all fractions are in descending order from biggest to lowest form. Now our question second is 10 by 20, 5 by 20, 15 by 20, 4 by 20. For ascending order I have written A here, and for descending order T is written here. First we write these fractions in ascending order. Our lowest number is here 4. After this number, at number 2 we are going with 5. Then at number 3 is 10, and number 4 we have 15. Now this has become very easy for us to write all these fractions in ascending order. First 4 by 20, comma, at number 2 we have 5 by 20, comma, at number 3 we have 10 by 20, comma, at number 4 we have 15 by 20. Eventually we have made all these fractions in ascending order. Now we are going to write these ascended order fractions into descending order. We will only write these all ascending fractions in reverse manner. So first we will write here 15 by 20, then we will write here 10 by 20. Now we write this 5 by 20, and our smallest 4 by 20. So this is descending order of fractions. According to definition, we move from greatest number to smallest number. So our third one is 30 by 60, 24 by 60, 50 by 60, 59 by 60. We arrange these, we first give these fractions number. Smallest numerator is 24. After that, in counting we have 30, at number 3 we have 50, and at number 4 we have 59. So in ascending order we will go from with 24 by 60, comma, 30 by 60, comma, 50 by 60, comma, and at last we have 59 by 60. So this is ascending order in which we move from smallest numbers to greatest number. Now we write all these fractions in reverse order to get our you know descending order of the fractions. 59 by 60, 50 by 60, 30 by 60, 24 by 60. Done. This is done. Okay, so this is how we perform ascending and descending order of fractions or of any kind of given numbers. Well, now our topic is comparison of fractions. We have three symbols to compare a fraction. We are having three symbols to compare a fraction. Number one, smaller than. This is known as smaller than. This is known as smaller than. At number two, our symbol is this, which is known as equal to. As number three, our symbol is this, which is known as greater than. Remember, if you find ununderstandable of any part of this video, you are recommended to reverse the video to understand the concept. So here we have three: smaller than, equal to, greater than. So as number first, you can see the picture of smaller than and greater than. This is symbol. This side is known as smaller and this side is known as greater. Okay, now how you will remember forever for this concept, smaller and greater. Now look at this here. At this side we can keep here too many points. Suppose these are balls 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So this is greater side, bigger side. This side can hold too many balls here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We are having here 9 balls. And here we can only put one ball. So this side is smaller. Understood? This side is smaller and this side is greater because this side can only hold a single point and this side can hold 9 points according to this given place here. So this is smaller side. This side is always smaller and this side is always greater because this is open mouth. It can take too many things here and this is closed and so we can only put one thing here. Now at second we have greater than. This symbol is known as greater than. Now look at this open side. So this open side can hold too many balls here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And this is smaller side. This can only hold a single ball. So this is always smaller side. This point always points to smallest number. So this will show smaller side, and this point is to use to show a bigger number. So this is greater than side and this is smaller side. And at third we are having equal sign, equal symbol. So these both sides have the capability hold same number of things. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 balls here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this symbol is known as equal symbol. I hope you understood these concepts. Now we attempt the questions according to these symbols. So our topic name is comparison of fractions. Now compare the following fractions using symbols less than, equal, and greater than. So at question number 1, we have two fractions, 2 by 15, 17 by 15. We are going to put here a symbol to show that 2 is less, 7 is greater. 2 is less, 7 is greater. This side is greater and this fraction is smaller. And remember, we are discussing like fractions. Like fractions. So 2 by 15 is smaller than 17 by 15. So we will put here this symbol. Okay. This side holds only one ball and this side can hold too many balls. So this is shows greater side and this shows smaller size. Now 25 by 30 and 20 by 30. So in counting, 25 is greater, 20 is less. So we will keep here this symbol. 25 by 30 is greater than 20 by 30. This is reading style. 2 by 15 is smaller than 17 by 15. Okay, at number third, we are having 4 by 45 by 75, 45 by 75. What both fractions are equal. 45 by 75 is equal to 45 by 75. At 4, we have 49 by 50, 39 by 50. 49 by 50 is greater than 39 by 50. 19 by 25, 19 by 25. 19 by 25 is equal to 19 by 25. At 6, 75 by 100, 64 by 100. So 75 by 100 is greater than 64 by 100. At number 7, 150 by 200, 125, 125 by 200. So this side is bigger. 150 is bigger than 125. So 150 is greater than 150 by 200 is greater than 125 by 200. Add number 8, last, in last fraction, 217 by 300, 300 and 1 by 300. So this is smaller. 217 by 300 is smaller than 301 and 300. So that's all from this lesson of mathematics. We have discussed here in this lesson comparison of following fractions, comparison of fractions using three symbols: less than, equal to, and greater than. And also we have discussed about ascending and descending order of fractions. So with this video, there will be a PDF file too. You will have to perform the exercises according to given scenario. And remember to always do your work daily, on daily basis, to avoid any kind of trouble. Till then, take care. Bye.